Hello guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Breve, a tool that claims to quickly create and share videos updates while measuring views and engagement. Breve is an internal communication tool for creating and sharing video updates with your team, plus measuring engagement. It's an internal communication tool, so it's not to you communicate with your clients, but with your team members. So the idea here is to help you to improve your team workflow with videos and to create the standouts that can make a difference in a world that's going more to the remote teamwork environment and paradigm. You are going to be able to create, organize, and share video updates with your teams on the same page. And you don't need to download anything. You are seeing that here, those videos, you can start recording directly on the platform, on Breve. And you can also do screen sharing, and they have prompts I'm going to show you to help you to record your videos. So far, I like it. It can help you even to record other kinds of video that you can export. But there is a limited use case here, the internal communication, and the limits of the use are good, and I'm going to show you how it works. So you got unlimited video updates, unlimited contributors to update, the insights, the analytics, that's the thing that they are saying a lot, that they have a good analytics and a good team engagement insights. Then you can see if your team is really watching your video, engaging with you. You can do SSO using Slack or Google Workspace, and they have integration with Slack and Microsoft Teams. The license tier 1, you get 16 team members. If you buy more, you get more team members, up to 200 team members. All team members can manage, present, and schedule the accounts. I'm going to show you how the deal works. So instead of doing the updates using email or using your project management tool, you're going to record the videos to do the update. And so here is the today, so Monday's update and my updates. And I'm going to show you that environment. I'm not recording myself, but as you can see here, I can change the camera and record anything that I want that my camera can read. Okay, so here is the place where there's my notebook here, the place where you're going to record your update. There's some tips here. Try to get your camera at eye level. Check there enough light on your background. Take a deep breath and relax. You look great. Okay, and you just need to click here to start recording. You can upload a video file, okay, to share with your team. So you don't need only to record on Breve. You can also add a video. The video will be here. So here's a video playing on Breve. And you can add many videos for Monday updates, okay? So you can start recording. Here is recording. As you're going to see, it's pretty fast. And then you click here to stop recording, and the video will show up here. Okay, and as you can see, you can use all the takes. Okay, you can record more takes for your video. Also, and this is a pretty good feature, you can add a prompt here. So that's why I'm thinking that it could be a good deal to buy it, because you can use that prompt here to write, anything. What I'm gonna copy and text something here, and I'm gonna see here. This is pretty cool. So your camera is here, and you can use that prompt to know what you're gonna say. Okay, so you can take your notes to create your update with the video. So every time you click here, you see your prompt. Pretty good. And here you can delete the details or let the details here. Okay, and then you can see here the takes, and let's think that is the update for the day. And you want to use this text. So click that on that button, and here you can say my today's standout. You can also choose your cover image from what they have here. So that one is better. And you can add notes here. So, and can add, for instance, bullet points, notes, specifying what you did today. So your team will be up to date. And you can submit the change clicking here. And so here is your update. And you can see that your team will see the updates on the same page as well. Okay, you can organize your update into segments to help you plan and invite others to contribute. Here you can invite collaborations with a link so people can contribute to that update. You can invite people to create questions for you and you can, answer them, and you can see the report. On the report, you're going to see the number of views, average amount watched, average time spent on your video, and the reactions. So people can react to your video and preview your video here. So clicking here, play the notes here, and clicking here, you can see the reactions. Also, people can add comments here as any chat, right? And can also share the feedback with you. How was this update? In profile, you can add your profile mail, change passwords. You can create habits. So habits, when you're going to, send the updates to your team, if weekly, if daily, the information of your account and team size. And here you can see the integrations, Slack and Microsoft Teams. Again, on library, you can see on the same page all your updates. You can see your drafts and your team here. It will show up their profile and email. And also, there is an engagement summary. Again, Breve is not to share the video with clients, but with your team. So you can create a series of videos about your workflow, and then you can better communicate with your team. I hope you like that. If you like, take a look at the link in the description that you can discover the deal and the terms. So check it out on AppSumo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.